guys, today we've got Meika in the studio and she spends a lot of her time overseas now. She does a lot of modelling over in Milan and she's back home for the holidays, so whenever she's home she always wants to come to the studio because she loves shooting with Peter. And today Peter's decided that Meika can be in charge of everything. So she's been in charge of her styling, her hair and makeup, her posing and stuff, that's all up to her as well. And Peter wants to get more of a natural look out of her because she spends a lot of time doing e-com. So Peter's challenge is to get what Meika looks like real life.
So, what are we doing?
Today I have no idea.
No, you're the boss. You've come in, you've styled yourself.
Okay, well, we're doing some, I want to do beauty. Like
with a leather
beauty.
jacket.
Yeah, like a cool, but from here, you know?
So because Meika's done styling, I already had a pre-setup of lighting that I wanted to use because I love using octaves with strobe snap, but more and more I'm enjoying going to constant lights because then I can see with my eyes exactly what it looks like and I don't have to take a picture to see what it looks like. I can see it and I can adjust it better. So Meika's decided she's wearing black pants, black t-shirt, red toe and nail polish, and my band jacket.
Yeah.
So I've got my lighting set up, so she didn't have much saying that, although I will change it to go with what she wants, but she said beauty. So she wants to do this high up beauty, is that right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna set up for that high up beauty, but I don't wanna be in here because this is not comfortable, is it?
No.
Right, but once I come back a little bit, now it's more comfortable.
I prefer that,
Yeah,
yes.
so the fact that she wants a close-up shot means I'm going to put a longer lens on rather than go in closer with the lens I've got. So this might be a fraction too long, but I'm just going to see what I get. So I'm putting a 300mm on so I'm not in Meika's face. The only problem, this is not a fast lens, so it's f4.5. Right, so that, yeah, this lens will be the right thing, and I'm far enough away from you that you feel safe that I'm not going to kill you.
I don't think you're going to kill me, Peter.
It's at 160, so I'm just going to do a test shot. About half a stop under. I might just come up a touch more then. 250th. Cool. Yeah, I might start as that as my exposure. I'm fully wide open. Especially being a close-up beauty, I don't want to have that razor sharp. Oh yeah, it's a fraction soft. It's very shallow. I'm on the hair. Let me just try one more. Nice, nice. Except she pulled a weird face just as I clicked. Yeah, I've got a very quick fall off, but I actually quite like this. This is all fine for what I'm looking at. I'm right on the edge of overcooking. I'm just going to adjust the light a little bit to start with before I finalize my exposure. All I'm looking at now is just a really cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Because I just want to look at the lighting. Do you want to come over for a second? So do you want more even lighting? Do you want more edgy lighting?
More even.
More even?
Yes.
All right, so jump back in. Because Meika's the boss today.
I'm the boss?
You're the client, all right?
Okay.
So everything I'm doing is based on what my client wants. Now, so to make it more even at the moment, once I come around over her, it's going to make her more edgy. By bringing this light further forward, it's going to even out the fall off. It's also turning down the power of the light, but it's evening it out. And that's really nice. What I'm going to do now is I might jump this little thing on. So it's nice and small. So one thing I'm loving with these LEDs, the light from above's a Broncolour HMI, but this is one of the little Mollis 200-watt LEDs. Because they're so small, I could use really light stands. I know I've got this on the boom. I must take this off the boom because it's going to be, oh no, I'll bring it in from the side, so that'll be fine. Just try and snip it in here. What I want to do with this is get some bounce off the floor. So the whole idea of when I'm using this light is only, I don't want it to light Meika directly. I'm just going to fire it down on the floor, hopefully not to get any light spillage directly on Meika. I want to get a kick light coming off the floor about there. Let's turn this on. Ooh, that definitely kicked in. So all I'm doing now is I'm manipulating this pitch. Oh, that catch light's really pretty. Right, so this is About 45%, so this is quite low. Now, this is going to be the one thing Meika doesn't get to say in this. This is going to be a black and white picture. If she doesn't like it, she can go to a different photographer. So you can see the difference just by me bringing in. That was before just with the screen to light from above.
I love it.
You love it. I knew you would say that.
Yes.
You're happy with that?
I'm
you don't want me to
definitely happy.
fine tune anymore?
No.
No?
I like it.
You like it. I'm loving this vignetting I'm getting off this lens. So I haven't used this lens in ages, and I forgot that I actually really like using this lens as a portrait lens. All right, so I've done my lighting. That one's quick and easy.
Was quick and easy.
You sure you're happy with that?
I'm definitely happy with this.
All right, so now I'm going to make it mine.
Okay.
And get away all of that horrible color stuff you've got. The one thing I do want to do is this little patch up here is a bit annoying for photographers.
Right.
So we'll just quickly powder you off with our translucent on that. But I'm going to now make it mine, so we jump it into a black and white. Got burgundy lips, so that's why they're going dark. We won't go blue channel because it'll make you, or do you like your freckles coming out?
I don't mind my freckles coming out.
I know it's changed your ethnicity, but I can back that off a little bit. Do you like it?
Much better like this.
Do you like those freckles?
Yes.
All right, we want to chrome your skin a little bit.
Okay. What does chrome mean? Just a color?
No, so chroming, I'm just going to make you a bit darker, then bring in some clarity and pop you. See how it sort of
That's a beautiful picture.
Falls off very quickly from lights to darks.
It's crazy how you can take just a normal picture and make it look like that. I feel like it looks 10 times better like this.
It was looking good before, and now I'm just going to... So what I'm doing now is, I know I can see a lot of hair detail in the hair, but I want to put a little... See how I can just show a bit more hair?
Yeah, I can see that.
See, a lot of photographers get it wrong. They come in and they make the highlights stronger. I'm trying to make my shadows lighter so you can see the texture.
Strands, yeah.
So you can see the strands better. Now I can down you a little bit more. Someone called you an AI recently on one of our comments.
I get that all the time now.
Because you don't look real anymore. Well, AI would not leave skin texture, but I'm not going to remove skin texture. Great. So just to finish this off, we're just going to powder her. Are you happy with the background?
I am. I like the background.
I'm going to take a shot now, and then you should be able to see the difference that little bit of translucent powder did. Cool, I just want to get a focus. Now, I am manually focusing this because I noticed before when I did an autofocus, the fallout between where the autofocus, but see how you haven't got that shiny bit in your skin anymore?
I see it.
See how instantly it just kills that off. This is a picture that seriously, I would be happy to put this up without retouching it, but Meika would want me to retouch a couple of things. Yeah, so in my retouching of this, all I would be doing is these little highlights next to a raised bit of skin, I'd just be dodging and burning those highlights off, but leaving the dark side on, and they will all end up looking like freckles. But you'll be happy with that, wouldn't you?
Yes.
They're the only things that you see that bother you?
Yeah.
So now we'll go on to sharpening. Do you like it when they sharpen your skin?
Yes.
You do? Oh my God, you're a disaster.
Am I really?
So I've just turned sharpening on, so you like it when you look like that?
Yes.
Really?
I do.
You like this raspy, look on your nose.
Oh, that doesn't
You
look
like
good.
every little hair.
No, but I don't see that because I'm not a photographer, so I can't see these little tiny details.
So you can see it now,
But
can't
now
you?
I see it, now I can't unsee it.
All right, so now, is that better?
That's much better. Keep it like that.
Right, can you see the difference?
Yeah, I definitely can. I definitely, don't sharpen my skin.
Don't,
Stop
right,
doing
thank
that.
you. Yeah, so this is one of the reasons I have sharpening off. My lens is sharp enough. This is as sharp as I can see with my eyes on with her there and me looking here. It's the same. And I never want to take it further than that because you can't even see the little hairs on your nose now.
No, it's much better.
Makeup's done, lighting's done, minimal retouching, you see what we're going to do. I'm going to do just 1 or 2 shots now. Just cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty, that's really pretty. I do like her trying to be edgy, but I definitely like that one better.
I like that too.
All right, so now we need to put Meika on another level. So do you want to jump in there for a sec?
Sure.
The lighting wasn't very hard. It's basically like a really soft clamshelling setup. The styling wasn't hard because Meika did it herself.
Yes, I did.
The makeup wasn't hard, she did it herself. I
Yes.
just put a little bit of powder on her. Now comes the hard part. I need to get my shot.
Yes.
And I'm not going to settle for e-commerce crap, fake. I want real. So when I'm saying this, I'm trying to get Meika what she really looks like. I don't want one of her shots which has been done for commercial because she's trying to sell something with that. I'm trying to show the world what Meika really looks like, not what she looks like as a salesperson. Make sense?
Yeah.
And Meika's just pretty as it is, but I find she's getting so much better now. I think she's got to the point where she's realised that her look is amazing, and the more she wears her own look, the more she becomes unique.
It's true.
By you trying to add on a pose,
it doesn't work.
Yeah, it's not you anymore. And you've changed a lot.
Thank you.
Have you had people talking to you about this, or have you just decided yourself?
I have had people talk to me about it, and I want it to become my own.
You have to become your own.
Yeah.
See how beautiful that is?
It's really pretty.
See, it doesn't feel like you're trying to pose.
No.
And it's really weird. You watch people who have had all the doors open, like Cara Delevingne, she still does this all the time. You need to just be more like a Claudia Schiffer or an Adriana Lima and all those people who just look amazing, but then bring their eyes to finish the picture off, not change their face. All right, so your job now, I want this so good that Vogue is going to ring up and say, we need you for a cover. Bring it to you. Right. Go into it. So I want it really natural, really wholesome, really sort of a little bit more like what you've been doing with guests, but I don't want the happy, smiley type stuff because they're still pushing you to be smiling, giggly, right? So I don't want you to be any more than who you really are. But I more want you just in a really nice place, cool. Not trying to pose, just, so your favourite place in the world. Yeah, cool. Just think of the favourite place in the world and what you're doing just as your day off there, what you're really enjoying. And it's no good me naming things because you might enjoy those things, cool. But then bring it back into the camera with your eyes and show people.
Yeah.
This is how I feel.
Okay.
Right, but you don't have to hold it the whole time. It's just a matter of you just softly bring it in, make it you. Cool, nice. Still posy a bit, pull it out of pose, bring it back to you. Cool, pull into that, more the natural, away from the pose. Cool, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so you're in a room with Taylor Swift. I know that's gonna work.
No, my face would be crying.
I'll be crying, cool. That's really pretty. Have you gone to see her movie?
I did see her movie. I saw it in theaters.
You know Beck cried.
You cried, I cried. Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. But you saw her live in New York, didn't you?
I saw her in Arizona.
Arizona.
Yeah. Her opening night was amazing.
Cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. So what do you like about her face? Is there anything particular you like about her?
About Taylor Swift?
Yeah.
I like her lyrics.
Yeah, but I mean herself.
Herself.
Is there anything...
her bangs. I love those. I think they're pretty. And I think she's very powerful.
Yeah, cool, cool. The whole reason I was doing this was I wanted her talking about someone she really looks up to. And then the simple things that she said makes women feel really powerful. Look how Meika's changed her pose. She's gone from something soft and natural to a little bit stronger. See?
It helps, yeah.
Cool, beautiful. But the whole idea of this picture, I want this to be your picture. I just really, after the last shoot, towards the end of the last shoot, and we'll put a link up, there was all of a sudden Meika was giving me these looks I'd never seen before. And she started to realise just by changing where her foot was, completely changed who she was.
Changed everything.
Cool, that's pretty, that's really pretty. I think I'm liking that better with the jacket down a bit. Beautiful, that's really pretty, that's really pretty. Cool. Soften it down, just in your head. That's better. See how you just relaxed? So as soon as you come up, that's a model posture. In real life, you don't...
Yeah.
Which is the opposite to what I do when I'm normally training models. It's all about posture. But when I'm trying to get... See, I'm not trying to get a model picture. I'm trying to get a natural picture. And when I'm talking about this, is some of the greats like Peter Lindbergh, and Patrick D. Micheli were really, really good at being able to capture essences of who people really were. Oh, that's pretty. Do you want to have a look?
I always want to have a look.
Well, you haven't
I like that.
You like that?
That's a nice
See how it's still fashiony, but it's not?
Yeah.
There's Can you do better?
That's pretty, yeah.
That is really pretty.
That's really nice to do. But that last one, I want to work more in that area. That one.
In that one?
Yeah.
Cool. And this also works as well. If you bring the model in, she can see herself of, I'm just looking at trying to create, but I just want it to be supernatural. Cool. And I'm going to get more trust out of Meika if I let her decide the look. And now I'm going to make her vulnerable about trying to turn off the modeling side of things and just try and make it more natural. Stunning. Nice. I do prefer it with the head just that, yeah, that's really pretty. That's something, even if you dropped over a bit further, you're going to break your neck. Yeah, just there. That's really pretty. So pretty. So don't lose that. Relax on there. I want you to sort of like hold but don't hold.
Okay.
So don't lose what you were doing because I'm just going to do a swapsies. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to allow Meika 2 photos only. So I think that's all I've got film left on this at the moment. And I have to come in closer because it's medium format. I don't have a super long lens. So this is different to how you've ever seen me work before. All right, because you know how I never say hold?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need you to get into a position.
And hold it.
No, I don't need expression.
Okay.
I just need to be able to focus
Right.
and compose my shot. Then I will let you know when I'm about to shoot it. Is that okay? Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. In fact, did you like how there was all that room above you in that other picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I might crop it the same. So I'm going to sit you down on the bottom edge of this frame. That's cool. At the moment, I'm just going to focus. And so what I'm doing while I'm focusing, I'm looking the catch light in her eye. There it is, right? So all I'm trying to do is get the catch light in her eye razor sharp. And now I'm going to crop it. That's the crop. I really like that crop. I like that focus. Now we need the expression. Cool. Drop your head over even further. There, beautiful, beautiful. You comfy with that?
Yeah.
Just going to frame it a little. That's it. Yeah, I want that really soft. That's pretty. That's real. There, yeah. When you ride over, there's a vulnerableness of it, but it's like, it's not like a weak, it's like you've opened yourself up for people to view you. I don't know if I've got enough, oh, I have got one more shot.
Oh.
So let's try it last.
You gotta do, like...
Whatever you like.
Those.
That's cool, that's really cool. Just gonna double check my focus. It's there, that's beautiful, that's really pretty. I'm just changing, sorry. That shot's just nicer if I just bring you up a little bit in frame. That's so pretty, that's so pretty. Nice, nice. Now I like how your hand was before. That's it, that's really pretty, that's really pretty. Thank you.
So cool.
So cool?
Yes.
That's it, you just burnt through all my film.
Oh, wow, thank you.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. If you want to see more of Meika and Peter working together, I'll throw up some videos now. One of them being when Meika started to model a little bit more the way that Peter's been pushing her to do so.